Hello and welcome to What to Do if I tried to make a background for my card, but it looks like beep, and it feels like beep. But the protection paper in my splatter box is obviously a masterpiece. And it would be the perfect background for my stamp. Do I have any idea if this will work? I don't. But what I have is this double-sided adhesive sheet. So let's try to stick this down here. Trust the process, okay? So then, let's try to separate the layers of this paper towel so that we are left with only one layer, and that's then the layer that sticks to the adhesive. This adhesive sheet is transparent, so it should be possible. I have no idea if that will work, but it should be possible in theory to stamp something behind here where the tissue paper is white and with that very translucent. So why don't we take these birds with the position of this bird in mind? And stamp them with some black soot archival ink. Then we take our little masterpiece here. Then we somehow guess where this needs to be. We stick this down. We freak out because this just worked. Then we decide about the size of this, like so. And then we are going to search for something to stamp the bird on, but it needs to be something transparent as well, so that we later on can still see our background. For example, an overhead transparency. So we dry this. Then we ask ourselves why we haven't embossed the image, and we quickly do that again. Black embossing powder. We are happy about the difference. Then we think, since this is another layer, why don't we use the chance to throw something in between of this layer and this layer? While we are inking the edges here, we are going to think about what we could throw in between of those layers. We decide for some white thread from my grandma. I take the teeny tiniest little bit of double-sided tape just to help me that this can't move anymore. The card is now attached to this protection sheet of the overhead transparency, and now I can lift this and just throw my threads on here. Just like this, and then I take this to my sewing machine and sew around here. Then it looks like this. And now I would love to have these threads still peeking out when the card is finished in a second. Because of that, I'm going to use my scissors. Now I separate this so that I can carefully and hopefully straight cut along here without cutting through the thread. And then we can decide for a backing and a little quote, and then we are already done. Ta-da! What did you say? Some black splatters are missing? You are absolutely right. Enough. Thank you so much for watching and have fun with the rest of the live stream.